Hello and welcome to this video about computer language. In today's world, computer language is an essential part of our lives. It is the language that computers use to communicate with us and with each other. In this video, we will discuss what computer language is, why it is important, and some of the most popular computer languages used today. What is computer language? Computer language is a set of instructions that computers use to communicate with each other and with humans. These instructions are written in a specific syntax and are used to create computer programs. There are many different types of computer languages, each with its own syntax and purpose. Why is computer language important? Computer language is important because it allows us to communicate with computers and create computer programs. Without computer language, we would not be able to use computers to perform complex tasks or automate processes. Computer language is also important because it allows us to communicate with other humans who are working on the same computer program. Popular computer languages. There are many different types of computer languages, but some of the most popular ones include Java. Java is a high-level language that is used to create applications for a wide range of platforms, including mobile devices, web browser, and desktop computers. Python. Python is a versatile language that is used for a variety of purposes, including web development, data analysis, and machine learning. C++ is a powerful language that is used for developing operating systems, video games, and other complex applications. JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language that is used to create dynamic web pages and web applications. Swift. Swift is a relatively new language that is used to create iOS and Mac OS applications. Conclusion: computer language is an essential part of our lives. It allows us to communicate with computers and create computer programs that can perform complex tasks and automate processes. There are many different types of computer languages, each with its own syntax and purpose. Some of the most popular computer languages used today include Java, Python, C++, JavaScript, and Swift. Thank you for watching this video about computer language.